Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure everyone has an Apple ID and iCloud turned on. This is required. Open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing. Once there, tap Add Member. Choose Invite People to send an iMessage invite or create child account for under 13 users. Follow the prompts. Make sure you select which features to share, Apple Music, iCloud storage, purchases, and confirm the organizer's payment method. Once done, watch for acceptance notifications and proceed to configure shared options. Next, you set up exactly what's shared and why it matters. Shared purchases save money, shared iCloud keeps family photos together, and location sharing helps safety. Tap each feature inside family sharing to enable it. For purchases, choose purchase sharing so family can access apps and media. For children, enable ask to buy and screen time with limits. If storage is insufficient, upgrade the organizer's iCloud plan and add members to that plan. Make sure everyone accepts prompts and signs in. To finish, you verify acceptance. Open family sharing and confirm every member shows as active. Make sure shared purchases and iCloud storage appear on each device. Go to the App Store and iCloud settings to validate. If a child account needs adjustments, edit parental controls here. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign the affected member out of iCloud, restart the device, then sign back in. If that fails, remove and re-invite the member, and confirm the organizer's payment details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.